to the sounds of the silence that allows for my mind to run around with my ear up to the ground. I'm searching to behold the stories that I told when my back is to the world that was smiling when I turned. Tell you you're the greatest, but once you turn they hate us. Oh, the misery. Everybody wants to be my enemy. Smell the sympathy. Everybody wants to be my enemy. Look out for yourself. My enemy. Look out for yourself. But I'm ready. Your words up on the wall as you're praying for my phone, and the laughter in the holes and the names that I've been called. I stack it in my mind and I'm waiting for the time when I show you what it's like to be worse fit in a mind. Tell you you're the greatest, but once you turn they hate us. Oh, the misery. Everybody wants to be my enemy. Smell the sympathy. Everybody wants to be my enemy. Look out for yourself. My enemy. Look out for yourself.
Look, okay, I'm hoping that somebody pray for me. I'm praying that somebody hope for me. I'm staying where nobody supposed to be. Posted, being a wreck of emotions. Ready to go whenever you let me know. The road is long, so put the pedal into the flow. The energy on my trail, my energy unavailable. I'ma tell him I still away go. Day when I fly on my drive to the top, I've been out of shape, thinking out the box. I'm an astronaut. I blasted off the planet, rock that caused catastrophe, and it matters more because I had it. Now I had I thought about wreaking havoc on an opposition, kinda shocking. They want a static with precision. I'm automatic, quarterback. I ain't talking second pack it up on panic, batter up. Who the baddest? It don't matter, cause we is your
Everybody wants to be my enemy. Smell the sympathy. Everybody wants to be my enemy. Oh, the misery. Everybody wants to be my enemy. Smell the sympathy. Everybody wants to be my enemy. I swear I'll never be a sad no way. My enemy. I swear I'll never be a sad. Look out for yourself.
Waiting, 이따 거기서 보는 거 맞지? 시간대 맞춰 늦으면 반칙. 시계만 자꾸 보는 걸. 난 이미 교복치마 대신 제육복 바지. 복도 끝까지 달려갈 준비. 마지막 종소리가 울리면 벌써 저기 오렌지빛 하늘이 짙어지는 걸. 어서 머뭇거리다간 금세 어두워질걸. 우리 스케이트보드 위로 마치 춤을 추듯 발을 굴러 바람 그 사이를 가로질러 여기저기 멀리 아주 멀리 끝까지. I'm so good with you. 따라와게 참 두 눈을 맞추고 끝말이 내리고 Ready, set, go, select. 자유로운 기분인걸. Yo, 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 지그색 춤을 춰. Yo, 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 yo. Take me. Yeah, 속도를 올려봐. 휘청거리다가 넘어져서 올려다본 하늘은 Wow. 다운로드 폰 게임보다 짜릿한 이 놀이 같이 만든 우리 플레이리스트 좀 더 크게 틀어줘. 지금 이 순간은 돌아오지 않아. 여기 눈부시게 반짝이는 걸 모두 담았어. 전부 다 찍었어. 앨범 가득한 비디오 어디로 튈지 모를걸. 우린 코드가 딱 맞았지만 난 날부터 You know 말을 안 해도 늘 마음이 잘 통하는 걸. 우리 스케이트보드 위로 마치 춤을 추듯 발을 굴러 바람 그 사이를 가로질러 여기저기 멀리 아주 멀리 끝까지. I'm so good with you. 따라와게 참 두 눈을 맞추고 끝말이 내리고 Ready, set, go, select. 자유로워 이대로 멈추지 마. 저 끝까지 훌쩍 날아가. 우린 이제 이곳을 벗어날 거야. 그때 마주친 그 표정을 잊을 수 없어.
Check it to 10. Baby bet, ayy, couple racks, ayy, couple Grammys on him, couple blacks, ayy, that's a fact, ayy, throw it back, ayy, throw it back, ayy, and this one is for the champion. Ain't lost since I began, yo. Funny how you said it wasn't, yeah, yo. Then I went did it again, yo. I told you long ago on the road, I got what they waiting for. Don't run from nothing, dog. Get your soul, just tell them ain't laying low. You was never really rooting for me anyway. When I'm back up at the top, I wanna hear you say, you don't run from nothing, dog. Get your soul, just tell them that the break is over. Need a couple number ones. Need a pack on every song. Need me like one with Nicki now. Tell a rap nigga I don't see ya, huh. I'm a pop nigga like Bieber, huh. I don't fuck bitches, I'm queer, huh. But these nigga bitches let me deal, yeah. Ayy, oh, let do it. I ain't fall off, I just ain't release my new shit. I blew up, man, everybody tryna sue me. You call me Nas, but the hood call me Doobie. And this one is for the champion. Ain't lost since I began, yo. Funny how you said it wasn't, yeah, yo. Then I went did it again, yo. I told you long ago on the road, I got what they waiting for. Don't run from nothing, dog. Get your soul, just tell them ain't laying low. You was never really rooting for me anyway. When I'm back up at the top, I wanna hear you say, you don't run from nothing, dog. Get your soul, just tell them that the break is over. My track record so clean, they couldn't wait to just bash me. I must be getting too flashy, y'all shouldn't have let the world gas me. It's too late cause I'm here to stay and these girls know that I'm nasty. I sent her back to her boyfriend with my handprint on her ass cheek. City talking, we taking notes. Tell him all to keep making posts. Wish he could, but he can't get close. OG so proud of me that he choking up while he making toast. I'm the type that you can't control. Said I would, then I made it so. I don't clear up rumors. Where's y'all sense of humor? I'm done making jokes cause they got old like baby boomers. Turn my haters to consumers. I make vets feel like they juniors. Say your time is coming soon, but just like Oklahoma, mine is coming sooner. I'm just a late bloomer. I didn't peak in high school, I'm still out here getting cuter. All these social networks and computers got these pussies walking around like they ain't losers. I told you long ago on the road, I got what they waiting for. Don't run from nothing, dog. Get your soul, just tell them ain't laying low. You was never really rooting for me anyway. When I'm back up at the top, I wanna hear you say, you don't run from nothing, dog. Get your soul, just tell them that the break is over. Yeah. Only in the street, baby. Only in the street, baby.
And still you gave me love. I wasn't used to that. Cause most of the people that gave me love ended up taking it back.
Imagine niggas in the LBC felt just like Snoop Dogg and DRE, and felt just like the niggas in the 213. Then imagine that's what's coming when you fucking with me. Imagine you was up on top of this shit. Imagine if the bitches could stay off this dick. I mean, imagine we said fuck this shit. Imagine if my niggas got together and tore up this bitch. Yeah, you can't imagine growing up and deal dumb, happy just to be alive, watching all your people run. But you imagine growing up to sell you 50 million records worldwide or fucking off somebody's son. Imagine if these niggas never saw a color. Would it be peaceful in them streets where niggas kill each other? All the drug fool get his pissed on balls. Keep fucking up on niggas, they gon' murder us all. Imagine
I get money, I'm a hustler. Buying what I'm selling, you hustlers. Start crying anywhere, anything. But it's all range on a pistol pad.
New York Giant.
I get money, I'm a hustler.
They all die.
They say you all what you smoke.
New York Giant. Bullets get the fire and the nightsticks fine. We might stick to click, better stick to crime.
What you smoke.
Hard living and hard rhymes, it's hard time. Cross
cross the bridge and get crossed out, you cross line. F with the kid and get chalked out, we pause line. The murder cases get tossed out, the court line. I paid the cost to be a boss, New York giant. Pocket full of New York Knicks, New York's fine. Body bag if they talk slick, they all die. I push the grips, the wrong days, start crying.
Too short to get caught up in some dumb shit. Wake up one day, 40 years old, on some bum shit. Time flew by, you was too fly to see the light. Every day it's getting darker, then comes the night. Now what?
I'm still shining, egg bricks and signs. See, I ain't quick supplying. I gotta get for grinding when bullets get defined and nightsticks flying. We might stick, you click, better stick to rhyming.
I get money, I'm a hustler.
Jawbone,
Buying what I'm selling, you hustling.
Start
Take
crying.
you anywhere, anything.
Hard rhyme,
But it's
start
all
time.
range on a pistol bang.
New York giant,
I get money, I'm a hustler.
they all die.
They say you all what you smoke.
New York giant, bullets get defined and nightsticks flying. We might stick, you click, better stick to
What you
rhyming.
smoke.
Imagine life so hard, you can't imagine. It's like living in the city of God, you feel me?
Let me make it there. I will be one you can trust.
Yeah, imagine Biggie with his son. Imagine Pop getting called Pop by one. Imagine a mother struggling, dealing with a system that don't give a fuck about who shot her son.
Everyday shit around the way shit got me stressed. So I keep on the vest in case a nigga wanna test. I got no time for games cause I'm all grown up. You wanna joke, nigga? Laugh when you get blown up. And see how funny it is when your kids ain't got no father. Cause you played it sweet, now you floating in the harbor. Shit is hectic, so respect it for your health. Didn't think it was right, you should've checked it yourself.
Don't be me, and there was no in between. You either loved it or hated. Every CD, critics gave it a 3, then 3 years later they go back and re-rate it and call the Slim Shady LP the greatest, the greatest.
Realize that you ain't got shit. Not long ago you was the man on some hot shit. So just keep the flow, yo, cause you already in this. Make sure your shit is right, kid, and handle your business.
I get money, I'm a hustler.
Jawbone,
Buying what I'm selling, you hustling.
Start crying.
Take you anywhere, anything.
Hard rhyme,
But it's all
start time.
range on a pistol bang.
New York giant,
I get money, I'm a hustler.
they all die.
They say you all what you smoke.
New York giant, bullets get defined and nightsticks flying. We might stick, you click, better stick to
What you
rhyming.
smoke.
I will love you like you love me, unconditionally. And whenever I go, before I go, let me give thanks to you for my birth, for every day that I've lived. You gave me a love most of my life I didn't know was there.
Look, I was going to go easy on you, not to hurt your feelings. But I'm only going to get this one chance. Something's wrong, I can feel it. It's just a feeling I've got. Like something's about to happen, but I don't know what. If that means what I think it means, we're in trouble. Big trouble. And if he is bananas, as you say, I'm not taking any chances.
You just want the dark one.
I'm beginning to feel like a rap god. All my people from the front to the back nod. Now who thinks their arms are long enough to slap box? They said I rap like a robot, so call me rap. But for me to rap like a computer must be in my jeans. I got a laptop in my back pocket, my pinnacle walk when I hat cock it. Got a fat knock from that rat profit, made a living and a killing off it. Ever since Bill Clinton was still in office, with Monica Lewinsky filling on his nutsack. I'm an MC, still as honest, but as rude and as indecent as all hell. Syllables, killaholic. Kill 'em all. This libbity, gibbity, hibbity, hip hop. You don't really want to get into a piss and match with this rappity rat pack and a mac in the back of the yak backpack rap yap kitty yak nap. The exact same time I attempt these lyrical acrobat stunts while I'm practicing that, I'll still be able to break a motherfucking table over the back of a couple of faggots and crack it in half. Only realized it was ironic. I was under aftermath after the fact. How could I not blow? All I do is drop F-bombs. In my wrath of attack, rappers are having a rough time period. Here's a maxi pad. It's actually disastrously bad. For the whack while the masterfully constructing this masterpiece. Cause I'm beginning to feel like a rap god. All my people from the front to the back nod. Now who thinks their arms are long enough to slap box? Let me show you maintaining this shit ain't that hard. Everybody want the key and the secret to rap immortality like I have got. Will there be truth for the blueprints? Simply rage and youthful exuberance. Everybody loves to root for a nuisance. Hit the earth like an asteroid, did nothing but shoot for the moon since. MCs get taken to school with this music cause I use it as a vehicle to bust the rhyme. Now I lead a new school full of students. Me, I'm a product of Rakim, Lakim, Shabazz, Tupac, W.A.Q. Hey Doc, Rin, Yella Easy, thank you, they got slim. Inspired enough to one day grow up, blow up and be in a position to meet Run DMC, induct them into the motherfucking Rockin' Roll Hall of Fame. Even though I walk in the church and burst in a ball of flames, only Hall of Fame I'll be inducted in is the Alcohol of Fame on the wall of shame. You fags think it's all a game till I walk a flock of flames. off for planking. Tell me what in the fuck are you thinking? Little gay looking boy, so gay I can barely say it with a straight face looking boy. You witnessing a massacre like you're watching a church gathering take place looking boy. Boy, they that boy's gay, that's all they say looking boy. You get a thumbs up, pat on the back, and a way to go from your label every day looking boy. Hey looking boy, what you say looking boy? I get a hell yeah from Trey looking boy. I'ma work for everything I have, never ask nobody for shit, get out my face looking boy. Basically boy, you're never gonna be capable of keeping up with the same pace looking boy, cause I'm beginning to feel like a rap god, rap god. All my people from the front to the back nod, back nod. The way I'm racing around the track, call me NASCAR, NASCAR. Dale Earnhardt of the trailer park, the white trash god. Kneel before General Zod, this planet's Krypton. No Asgard, Asgard. So you be Thor and I'll be Odin. You rodent, I'm omnipotent. Let off, then I'm reloading. Immediately with these bombs I'm toting. And I should not be woken. I'm the walking dead, but I'm just a talking head, a zombie floating. But I got your mom deep throating. I'm out my ramen noodle. We have nothing in common, poodle. I'm a Doberman. Pinch yourself in the arm and pay homage, pupil. It's me. My honesty's brutal, but it's honestly futile if I don't utilize what I do, though, for good at least once in a while. So I wanna make sure somewhere in the chicken scratch I scribble and doodle enough rhymes to maybe try to help get some people through tough times. But I gotta keep a few punchlines just in case, cause even you unsigned rappers are hungry, looking at me like it's lunchtime. I know there was a time where once I was king of the underground, but I still rap like I'm on my Pharaoh Munch grind. So I crunch rhymes, but sometimes when you combine up here with the skin color of mine, you get too big and here it comes trying to censor you like that one line I said. Oh, no, back from the Mathers LP1 when I tried to sell. Take 7 kids from Columbine, put them all in a line at an AK-47, a revolver and a 9. See if I get away with it now that I ain't as big as I was, but I'm morphing into an immortal coming through the portal. You're stuck in a time warp from 2004 though, and I don't know what the fuck that you line for. You're pointless as Rapunzel with fucking cornrows. You like normal, fuck being normal. And I just bought a new ray gun from the future just to come and shoot ya, like when Fabulous made Ray J mad. His Fab said he looked like a faggot, and they were his pad singing to a man while he played piano. Man, oh man, that was a 24/7 special on the cable channel. So Ray J went straight to the radio station the very next day. Hey Fab, I'ma kill you. Lyrics coming at you with supersonic speed. Summon, I'm a doom, I'm a you assuming I'm a human. What I gotta do to get it through to you? I'm superhuman, innovative, and I made a rubber so that anything you say is ricocheting off of me and it'll glue to you and devastating more than ever, demonstrating how to give a motherfucking audience a feeling like it's levitating, never fading. And I know the haters are forever waiting for the day that they can say I fell off to be celebrating, cause I know the way to get it motivated. I make elevating music, you make elevator music. Oh, he's too mainstream. Well, that's what they do when they get jealous, they confuse it. It's not hip-hop, it's pop, cause I found a hella way to fuse it with rock, shock rap, with dot. Don't lose yourself, I make them lose it. I don't know how to make songs like that. I don't know what words to use. Let me know when it occurs to you while I'm ripping any one of these verses. The verses you, it's curtains, I'm inadvertently hurting you. How many verses I gotta murder to prove that if you were half as nice as songs you could sacrifice virgins to? School flunky, pill junkie, but look at the accolades, these skills brung me. Full of myself, but still hungry. I bully myself cause I make me do what I put my mind to when I'm a million leagues above you. Ill when I speak in tongues, but it's still tongue-in-cheek. Fuck you, I'm drunk, so Satan take the fucking wheel. I'm asleep in the front, bumping heavy D in the voice. Still chunky but funky, but in my head there's something I can feel tugging and struggling. Angels fight with devils and here's what they want from me. They're asking me to eliminate some of the women hate, but if you take into consideration the bitter hatred I had, then you may be a little patient and more sympathetic to the situation and understand the discrimination. But fuck it, life's handing you lemons, make lemonade then. But if I can't bear other women, how the fuck am I supposed to bake them a cake then? No mistake, it's a fatal mistake if you think I need to be overseas and take a vacation to trip abroad and make a fall on a face. And don't be a retard, be a king, think not. Why be a king when you can be a god?
You're a monster.
I can swallow a bottle of alcohol in her, feel like Godzilla. Better hit the deck like the car dealer. My whole squad's in here walking around the party, a cross between a zombie apocalypse and Bobby the brain meaning, which is probably the same reason I wrestle with mania shadies in this bitch. I'm posse'd up. Consider it to cost me a costly mistake if they sleeping on me. The hoes better get insomnia, ADHD, hydroxycut, pass the Kavasi. In AA with an AK melee, finish at it like a play date, better vacate, retreat like a vacay Mayday. This beat is cray cray, Ray J, H-A, laughing all the way to the bank. I spray flames, they cannot tame or placate the monster.
You get in my way, I'ma feed you to the monster. I'm normal during the day, but at night turn to a monster. When the moon shines like ice road truckers, I look like a villain out of those blockbusters. Blood to the fire, spit a monster. Blood on the dance floor, the Louis V carpet. Fire, blood to the fire.
Told him lick the balls, had him just appalled. Did so many things that pissed him off, it's impossible to list them all. And in the midst of all this, I'm in a mental hospital with a crystal ball, trying to see what I still be like this tomorrow. Whisper dog voices whisper. My fist is ball back up against the wall. Pencil drawn. This is just a song to go ballistic on. You just pull the pistol on the guy with a missile launcher. I'm just a Loch Ness, the mythological. Quick to tell a bitch you off like a fifth of vodka. When you twist the top of the bottle, I'm a
monster. You get in my way, I'ma feed you to the monster. I'm normal during the day, but at night turn to a monster. When the moon shines like ice road truckers, I look like a villain out of those blockbusters.
Till the fire spit a
monster. Blood on the dance floor, Louis V carpet.
Fire, till the fire.
Blood on the dance floor, Louis V.
If you never gave a damn, raise your hand, cause I'm about to set trip. Vacation plans, I'm on point like my index is. So all you will ever get is some motherfucking finger. Prostate exam. How can I have all these fans that perspire like a liar's pants? I'm on fire and I got no plans to retire. And I'm still the man you admire. These chicks are spazzing out. I only get more handsome and flyer. I got them passing out like what you do when you hand someone flyers. And what goes around comes around just like the blades on the chainsaw. Cause I caught the flag but my dollar stacked right off the bat like a baseball. Like kidding, bitch, I got them racks with so much ease that they call me Diddy. Cause I make bands and I call getting cheese a cakewalk. Yeah, bitch, I'm a player. I'm too motherfucking stingy for share. Won't even lend you an ear, ain't even pretending to care. But I tell a bitch I'm area of Shabaria, face of my genital area. The original Richard Ramirez, Christian Rivera. Cause my lyrics never sit well, so they wanna give me the chair. Like a paraplegic and it's scary, call it Harry Carry. Cause every time I'm digging Harry Carry, I'm marry a motherfucking dictionary on. I'm swearing up and down, they can spit this shit's hilarious. It's time to put these bitches in the obituary column. We wouldn't see eye to eye with a staring problem. Get the shaft like a staring column. Trigger happy, pack heat, but it's black ink. Evil half of the bad meats. Evil that means take a backseat, take it back to fat beats with a maxi single. Look at my rap sheet. What attracts these people is my gangster bitch like Apache with a catchy jiggle. I stack chips, you better got a half-eaten Cheeto. Fill him with the venom and eliminate him. Other words, I'm intimate him. I don't wanna hurt him, but I did him in a fit of rage. I'm murdering again, nobody will evade him. Finna kill him and dump the fucking bodies in a lake, obliterating everything is iterator. Renegade him, hit him, make anybody who want it with the pin and frame. Don't nobody want it, but they're gonna get it anyway. Cause I'm beginning to feel like I'm mentally ill. I'm a killer, be killed, I'm a killer, be the vanilla gorilla. You're bringing the killer within me out of me. You don't wanna be the enemy of the demon who in me. Or be in the receiving enemy. What stupidity it'd be. Every bit of me's the epitome of a spitter when I'm in the vicinity. Motherfucker, you better duck or you finna be dead the minute you run into me. 100% of you is a fifth of a percent of me. I'm about to fucking finish you, bitch. I'm available. You wanna battle? I'm available. I'm blowing up like an inflatable. I'm undebatable. I'm unavoidable. I'm unevadable. I'm on the toilet bowl. I got a trailer full of money and I'm paid for. I'm not afraid to pull them. Man, stop. Look what I'm planning.
This beat's incredible. Me and Eminem beats are identical twins. We're like inseparable. I sing, I rap, they're side by side, just like my testicles. I'm gonna fuck this beat like my girl. It's gonna sound sexual. Listen close if you're skeptical. I'm about to mob it up. Toast painter while I'm robbing you. That's no reppin' H&M. They all humbly miss it. They holler, sir. Twist words like I'm Oliver. See my future something like philosophers. Niggas running just like Forrest. With the extra mile, they with kilometers. I'm about to eradicate it. If they spoke on my name, it was fabricated. Every move that I made has been calculated. If you hating, then you get decapitated. Are you captivated? I was born for this. Why are you aggravated? I got dripping so hot it evaporated. I got drive you in park, I can validate it. Cut this beat up, I'm about to examine it. No exaggeration, there's no problem. Hakuna Matata. Niggas be lying, I might call you Simba and give you a scar and say hasta mañana. I finish beats like a period, don't take no breaks. If I do, it's to count on my commas. I'm hot like a sauna, I'm spitting my nigga. I feel like a llama. I'm bombing on beats, but I feel like Osama. I'm taking presidents, Trump in the game, blacking out on the country. I feel like Obama. You rap for a chapter, I rap for a saga. I'm milking this beat like the tits on our mamas. This beat is homeless, mi casa su casa. I'm changing my flows like the skins on iguanas. My dick is big when I grabbed it and showed her. She looked up to heaven and screamed at her thunder. If you chit chat, you will get gangbang. Just like a double cheese and a McChicken when mismatched. Then toe tag like tic tac. My flow is nice if you say it's not. You know that's big cat. Big stats, you know that I'ma get big racks. Click clack 2020, I'ma make impact. In fact, I'ma drop hits every time I roll out. Just to the show on my city and send them some titties. I had that bitch sold out. Watch how I dunk, gonna be like I've been in the league and nobody got more pounds. People will do anything for the fame, everything is a game. They want more clout. Who came up with the word clout? Yeah, this shit is a warm-up, dog. The label's been calling, I'm working, I really don't mean to ignore. I'm exploring, dog. Sleeping on me, people snoring. Just started touring, free man, like my first name is Morgan. Bars illegal, like I downloaded torrent. So fly, like I'm out in the orbit. White flag, when I rap, people forfeit. Straight bars, bitch, I don't need a chorus. Of course, they gon' hate it, ignore it. Terabytes in my brain, I got storage. 7-figure nigga, bitch, I'm important. Left hand, if I shoot it, I score it. You a baby that they should've aborted. Fuck hate if they thought I absorbed it. Cocaine flow, it sounds like I snorted. Rapping to infinity, it's killing. I'm the hardest and baddest in the vicinity. I've never been gimmicky, never been fidgety. Hottest, you can check the humidity in it to win more talented. The niggas ahead of me, killer delivery, lyrical symmetry. Everything I spit is guided like I'm rapping in ministry. I'm about to get a felony with this type of energy. Yo, I can't rap fast. What the fuck is you telling me? Niggas sniffing methamphetamine. You niggas are dead to me. You cannot knock me off. It's a destiny, especially how I've done it and killed it all independently. They hate it, but can never assassinate my identity. I'm genetically gifted. I kill everything I touch is ridiculous. Fuck opinions. You won't stop me, bitch. I'm going to this. And I'm gonna finish. Gonna win 2020. I'm going to get it out. This shit incredible. If you don't show respect, I know you ain't no intellectual. What goes around comes around and shit perpetual. I'm sick. I might need medical. I'm banning words like Beckham. My bars be told I'm flexible. Get green just like a vegetable. My shit be so precise. When I'm rapping, I'm using decimals, mixing it like some chemicals. I'm freestyling, but might do this whole beat cause I'm extendable. Do not try this at home, kids. It's only for us professionals. Stacks! if you try to hate on this, go ahead and lick your hand and slap yourself.
Look, if you had one shot, one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted in one moment, would you capture it? Just let it slip.
Yo. His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking how? Everybody's joking now. The clock's run out, time's up, over, plow. Snap back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity. Oh, there goes rabbit. He choke. He's so mad, but he won't give up. Daddies, he know he won't have it. He knows his whole back to these ropes. It don't matter, he's dope. He knows that, but he's broke. He's so stagnant. He knows when he goes back to this mobile home, that's when it's back to the lab again, yo. This old rhapsody better go capture this moment and hope it don't do better. Lose itself in the music, the moment you own it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot, do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music, the moment you own it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot, do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better. The soul's escaping through this hole that is gaping. This world is mine for the taking. Make me king as we move toward a new world order. A normal life is boring, but superstardom's close to postmortem. It only grows harder, homie grows hotter. He blows, it's all over. These hoes is all on him. Coast to coast shows.